Hey guys, today I just wanted to make this really quick tutorial on how to set up a multi-instrument with key switching in Kontakt. Using an instrument like Session Horns, they have a Session Horns Pro that actually lets you key switch between the different articulations, but the problem with just standard Session Horns is that you have all of these different articulations like sustain, rip, grace note, whatever, and the only way to switch between them is to actually switch the instrument. But you can't actually press a key on your keyboard to do that. So if you wanted to actually perform using these different articulations, you'd have to, I mean, it's almost impossible pretty much. So I looked around online and I found this free KeySwitch router Multiscript, which you can install for Kontakt, that lets you actually set up a Multiscript that will assign key switches to whatever keys you want on your keyboard, and then you can use those to switch between the instruments in Kontakt. This is extremely helpful for especially what I'm trying to do. So pretty much just come here. I'll leave a link in the description. Come here and download this KS router package and open the zip file that it comes in, and then you're going to want to put that into here, which is under PC, Documents, Native Instruments, Kontakt, Presets, Multiscripts. You'll have this ksrouter.nkp file that you'll copy out into here, and then you'll actually have to restart Kontakt or maybe even your DAW to actually get it to show up in Kontakt. So what you do is in Kontakt, you'll see there's a little button here at the top that says KSP. You'll just click on that, and it will bring up this panel at the top that actually lets you load different scripts. Here under Preset, you go to User KS Router, and that will open up the the Multiscript. And right here you can see we have a starting note, we have total key switches, and starting channel. Pretty much I'm going to add a second instance of Session Horns in here. The first one's going to be sustain. The second one I'm going to set up as a rip so that it will be obvious which one we're actually listening to. And then here under your script again, where it says starting note, I'm going to press MIDI Learn and press the lowest C on my keyboard, which is C-1. So, okay, now we have our starting note, which is going to be C-1, and we'll set our key switches to the number of instruments that we want to switch between here. And we'll leave starting channel as 1 because that's just how it works. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now when I press C-1 and then I try to play on my keyboard, you can hear it's just standard sustain, and when I press C#-1, it plays the rips. So obviously I'm not anything worth listening to in terms of performing on Session Horns, but you know, it's pretty cool for what it is. So if you guys found this at all helpful, feel free to click the like or subscribe button. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.